How to create Photoshop Shorts videos.
Hello friends, if you want to create these types of shorts in your laptop or computer from the Photoshop and you want to upload on the YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to create these types of short setup video for the YouTube shorts. Okay guys, first go to the Chrome and connect to internet. You must have the OBS Studio. Type OBS, click, and after you can download from OBS Studio from here. You can download for Mac and for Windows also. After download and after install the OBS software, and after you must have Photoshop. Just open the Photoshop. So you can right taskbar to the right side, and after minimize the Photoshop like this, and then we have to now manage the OBS Studio. To OBS Studio, here is the setting. Click the setting. After go to video, have to adjust this just opposite, okay, 1080p into 920 and 1080 920, both you have to make this vertical. After setting, then after you can find out like this screen, and after just drag this right side and decrease a little bit this and fit the window of the Photoshop. Once you can get picture like this frame, and you can create this Photoshop shorts very easily like this. Okay guys, if you like my videos, then to follow, share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.